With Pixformance, we've created a training concept that has a powerful impact on the health and fitness industry. Pixformance is for everyone and for all fitness levels, beginners, more advanced users, and professionals. And this is also true for the therapeutic context. Pixformance is versatile and can help with orthopedics, neurology, and cardiology, for example. After logging into the Pixformance station, users are directed to their personalized workout program. Exercises can be integrated into workout plans via a web-based platform. As people exercise, body points are scanned and motion feedback is provided in real time. This helps motivate the user to continuously improve. Data insights showing movement precision for individual exercises along with user progress can be accessed at any time. Expand your strength with Pixformance now. Contact us today.